right. Oh, these are hands, no?
Are my friends?
The bicycle? Oh, not that's yours. I know.
This is my friend. They
Oh
are.
wow, they're
friends.
nice,
I don't know
beautiful.
why they don't eat anything.
Oh well.
Yes, but they are alive.
Oh,
And they do not lose weight. That's weird, eh?
really?
I don't know what to say.
You're so funny, Said. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा बंदा काफ़ी दिनों से मुझे इनवाइट कर रहा था चाय के लिए, तो उसका नाम है सईद, जिसको आप मेरी पिछली वीडियो में देख चुके हैं। ही इज़ रियली अ कूल गाय। सईद जो है वो ईरान से है। तो आज मैं एक तो फ्री था एंड ऑल्सो आई वाज गेटिंग बोर्ड। यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर आज 32 है और चंगी भली गर्मी लग रही है। बाय द वे पाकिस्तान में तो कई इलाकों में 45 और 49 और 50 तक टेम्परेचर है, वहाँ पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी। तो अभी सईद की तरफ चलते हैं। सईद ने कई दफ़ा मुझे इनवाइट किया तो टाइम नहीं मिलता था, उसकी तरफ मैं जा नहीं पाता था। तो अभी चलते हैं सईद के घर। और मज़े की बात यह है कि सईद बहुत अच्छी चाय भी बनाता है। सईद के घर पहुंच चुका हूँ। ये सईद का घर है। Said, how are you, man?
How are you?
Said is here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Is he agree or we should go inside? I think.
Oh, thank.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Okay, let's go first. You've never been in the house.
In the house, no. Wow, this is Said's house.
This is not mine. I'm a tenant.
For now, it's yours.
Yes, this image
This
belongs
is
to
sitting
me.
room. Wow,
And
it's nice. And who plays the guitar?
I'm training.
Are you training? Oh my God.
You don't know. Can you play?
I can.
Guitar. Go. Exactly. The right position and right. The go Pakistani song. Yeah. It is close. It's not that bad. It's so dark. Nice finish.
That was nice. In my whole life,
Yeah.
I never touched the guitar.
I know.
This is
I
first
know,
time.
I know.
But it was nice.
But it's so difficult to play, you know.
It is, yeah.
This is my small office.
Oh, right. Oh, these are hands, no?
And these are my friends.
The bicycle? Oh, not that's
Small-
yours. I know.
Yeah. This is my friend. They
Oh
are.
wow, they're
friends.
nice,
I don't know
beautiful.
why they don't eat anything.
Oh well.
Yes, but they are alive.
Oh,
And they do not lose weight. That's weird, eh?
really?
I don't know what to say.
You're so funny, Said.
This is my bedroom. It's messy.
Oh, this is your bedroom. You live like a king,
This is a king bed.
Persian king.
Yes.
This is king bedroom and king bed.
Oh, thank you. And that's it.
That's pretty much it. And this is your telly, yeah?
Television, our bar. What do you call it? Counter for bar.
Just for sitting, yeah?
Yes.
You drink here?
Oh no, I do not drink. And
This is kitchen, I know that. See how intelligent I am. I know this is kitchen.
Thank you. And this is our amusement instrument.
Oh yeah.
You have golf if you want to play golf.
I really like this place. This is really a big house, no, Said? सईद ने यहाँ पे एहतमाम किया और बहुत बड़ा घर है। सईद यहाँ पे टेनेंट है। सईद यहाँ पे मालिक नहीं है, लेकिन बड़ा खूबसूरत घर है। और एक मिस्टेक जो मैंने की है वो ये कि मेरे कैमरे में कार्ड ही नहीं था। कैमरा मैं साथ लेके आया हूँ, उसमें कार्ड नहीं है। और अभी जो जितनी भी मूवी ये बन रही है, ये मेरे मोबाइल फ़ोन पे बन रही है। अब पता नहीं ये कैसी लगेगी, लेकिन फ़िलहाल मोबाइल फ़ोन पे बन रही है। Who's that guy? Are you doing yoga as well?
No, just sometimes. But you should have told me that. Said, oh, you've lost weight a little bit, at least.
So Saeed was trying to lose weight, and as you have seen him in a previous video,
Yes.
he was a little bit healthy, but now he is
Now you
looking
can
so
compare.
smart.
You can compare my last video.
Yeah.
Yes. So they can say if I have lost weight or not.
Of course, you have lost weight.
Oh no, no, not now. It's
No.
no, it's not good for
It's
now.
too late. But I
It's too-
was very busy to have a look in your house.
I know.
I didn't look at you then.
Probably
Also, it
because
was-
I'm smaller than before. That's you couldn't see me. That's true. It's a good sign. It's a
This
good
is not true, but
sign. I know it's a good
we
sign.
can.
Yeah.
And also in your house was beautiful as well,
Oh, thank you.
and it was dark there.
It was dark. Yeah.
That's why I couldn't notice you. But now I can see,
Yes.
and I can tell you. Also, my viewers can tell that you have lost weight and you're looking good than before. And keep it up.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now it's time to eat something.
And have a picnic.
और सईद ने जो हमारे लिए बनाया है वो खाते हैं और पीते हैं। सईद की चाय मुझे हमेशा से पसंद थी
Traditional tea
और
with some sweet from Iran.
सईद से पूछते हैं कि चाय कैसे बनाता है। सईद, हाउ डू यू मेक वन सेकंड I'm sitting on grass. Okay, so how did you make this tea, Saeed?
Yes. If you look at the tea, okay, you can see the ingredients. So it's chamomile. If you
Right.
just show the inside, lavender. It's orange blossoms
Okay.
and black tea. That's it.
Black tea. Can you tell
It's
again?
magic. Black tea,
Okay.
lavender, chamomile, and orange blossom.
And you just boil everything together, yeah?
Yes, I just add the boiled water
Mm-hmm.
to them, not boiled them.
And it's ready.
It's ready.
I don't know why it's so delicious.
Probably.
I can never make a tea like that, you know.
But
Do I
you
have
a
green
nice
tea at
You
home?
make tea with
That's another one. That's
milk and-
that's our tradition
Yes, I
tea,
know.
you know,
And it's so
the
delicious.
milky tea.
Yeah, it's good.
So
And
we always
you
make like
boil
that
all together.
all together.
Yeah, that's good. But you use some special kind of tea for that.
Of course.
This is the key.
That's the secret.
Yes, the secret. And you never told me. You have never told me that.
You never asked me.
That's true. That's true.
I did show you, but I think you didn't. You couldn't remember the names of those things which I
think it
was putting in the
from
tea.
your country, yeah? Was it?
No, it's available everywhere.
Is it the?
There are fennel
berries?
seeds and some cinnamon.
Oh, something. Yeah.
That's it. Only these two things, and cardamom.
What's called? It's yeah. Got
The
you.
small
Oh,
thing,
Yeah,
you
I
know.
know. Yeah. It's
If you put all of
so-
them
Arabic.
in very small quantity,
I know.
the tea looks good.
I
You
know.
know.
Yeah, we use that a lot.
Yeah.
And you can see maybe if you look carefully, you can find maybe in this suit.
What is this?
This is called masqati. Probably you know. You can read it if you. It's
Oh,
masqati.
I thought this was a kind of book. I never know. This was sweet.
It's a book. It's a book of ingredients. You can see.
Oh right, okay.
Yes.
टी हमेशा सईद मज़ेदार बनाता है, तो इसको टेस्ट करके देखते हैं कैसी बनी है आज। और एक चीज़ का मुझे अफसोस बार बार हो रहा है कि मैं कैमरा तो ले आया, लेकिन जो कार्ड था वो कल से कंप्यूटर के अंदर था और मैंने निकाला ही नहीं, उसके अंदर ही रह गया। तो आज से फुटेज हमेशा यूएसबी केबल के थ्रू कॉपी होगी। हमेशा कार्ड जो है वो मैं कंप्यूटर में कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। 2-3 बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है कि कार्ड मैं उसमें डालता हूँ कंप्यूटर में, उसे फुटेज कॉपी करता हूँ और उसके बाद मैं भूल जाता हूँ उसको निकालना। तो आज के बाद हमेशा फुटेज जो कॉपी होगी वो यूएसबी केबल के थ्रू होगी। तो
Subscribe to his channel.
it's too soon. It's too soon. But anyways, if they listen to you, maybe they will do it.
Okay, yeah.
Say how much this bike is?
Um, this the brand new or the second hand? This bike
Yeah, this bike.
is
Is this a
more
brand?
than.
Is this
This
brand
is
new
not a
or
brand new.
this is not a brand?
No.
Okay.
And it was more than 12,000 euros.
12,000 euros.
Yeah, for the second hand bike.
Oh my god.
And the name is.
And this is still a bike.
It's still a bike with 2 wheels, not 4 wheels. 2 wheels.
So more than 12,000 or more than 1,200?
12,000 euros. So if you want to buy a brand new
Yeah.
bike from this one, it will be more than 60,000.
More than 60,000.
Yes.
This bike.
This bike, Africa Twin, it's not only it's a bike. Honda Africa Twin. Okay,
It's-
some advertise for it. Honda Africa Twin. Just make yourself ready for traveling. Everything will be nice with this
Yeah.
bike. You won't feel any trouble with this bike.
You can sleep on this bike.
Yes, exactly. You can have everything, even bathroom on the bike, and everything is good.
Bathroom on the bike.
Yes.
There's no toilet. I don't see it. But say like it's too much price. Like you're saying that 60,000, yeah?
16,000.
No, I mean you said that's a brand new. 16 or 60?
16.
16,000, but still in 16,000 you can buy a brand new Audi,
Car.
Audi maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, it depends on the model. Yeah.
Yeah. My God, I'm just speechless. This bike, the brand new is more than 16,000, and this bike is not brand new. ये बाइक ब्रांड न्यू नहीं है, उर्दू में बोलना था यार, मुझे भूल गया.
This is true.
Yeah. तो ये बाइक जो है ये ब्रांड न्यू नहीं है, लेकिन इस बाइक की प्राइस जो सईद ने मुझे बताई है, मैं हैरान रह गया हूँ. इस बाइक की प्राइस जो है वो 12,000 यूरोज़ है, जो कि ढेर सारे पैसे बनते हैं.
So. Oh, it's so dark. You don't have any light here.
What's that?
You don't have any light out there. It's bright.
Why you don't have light?
I don't know.
Did you play it during the night here?
Yes, too much.
Alone.
No, yeah. Okay.
That was good.
You see? You see that? That's because I cannot see anything.
Yeah. Oh my God, it can hurt you, man.
Well, it's not bad. Closer, closer. It's very nice. So professional. Less than 1 meter.
It was me.
Yes,
Look, look.
look. It's so dark.